I had my first job lined up like 2 months before I graduated. It was in Virginia Beach, which I currently am now, where I'm working at now. So I work for Huntington Ingalls Shipbuilding, one of the top 3 shipyards in the country. Things that we do there, we kind of weld like small components for the submarines before they ship them out to the carriers for them to weld on. They was telling me, for the job, we require 4 years of experience at least. So they kind of gambled with me. and was like, okay, cool, we're gonna test you and give you an opportunity to do it. And I went in there and I killed the game. The fact that I'm actually doing this and to have the opportunity to do it, it's a blessing, man. So the school that I went to is called Lower Richland High School, which they also partner with a trades facility that they teach different trades such as like diesel or engineering or cosmetology, barbering, and then there was welding. A lot of people didn't want to take welding because, of how dangerous it was. And, but when I actually got into it and I realized I was really good at it, I was like, okay, well, this is nice. Like, everybody can do it, as a senior, you're very confused. You don't know, like, what route to take because there's so many different options for you to go into. You can either go to the workforce, to the Army, to the Navy, and then there was trades. I told my mom and dad, I was like, hey, y'all, listen, I'm not going to college. I'm not going to the military, but I'm going to a trade school. Tulsa in general is not even just a school, it's a family. It's one big happy family. The office, the instructors, the system that they got going on around there is like you're not alone. And that's one of the things that I love is that they always took care of you. No matter what the situation was, they always had your back no matter what. My mom, my sisters, and my dad, they love what I do. Especially, they tell me that they're proud of me every day and that they really love what I do, and then they love the fact that I'm having fun while doing this. I have a sister in the Navy too. She was in basic training, and the job offer that I got, it was actually, so happily to be in Virginia Beach, and then when she graduated from basic, she so happily got stationed in Virginia Beach too. It's a blessing too that I get to actually, be back around with my sister because, she helped out a lot too, and I'm very grateful for her. So I either I'll get up early in the morning, I'll probably take a walk or, probably go play basketball, shoot some hoops. So when I'm walking on the sidewalk or down the walkway and I just see other shipyards and other stuff like that, it makes me think like wow, I'm really contributing. Every bead that I put down, I always think about, just whenever they set sail, whenever this submarine or ship actually takes out to sea, I always be like, this is going to save somebody's life one day. Because since my sister's in the Navy too, I want to protect her as much as possible. So I always want to give it 100% on whatever I'm doing to kind of better her chances of coming back safe. Tulsa Welding School changed my life by giving me the opportunities to go out here to get it. So Tulsa has changed everything for me. I always wanted something to remember my time there. So I actually have gotten a tattoo of the Tulsa Welding School logo. And it's mixed with my tribal theme that I've kind of gave around it. But yeah, Tulsa has changed my life for the better, and I want to hold that with me forever and ever. My name is David, and I'm proud to be a Tulsa Welding School graduate.